Hey guys, it is the day after Christmas, or as us Canadians like to call it, Boxing Day, and I'm taking advantage of a few days off work between the holidays to work on my garage reorganization project. Let me show you what I got that's going to be a big help in that. What we've got here is a 10-foot by, I don't know, 42, 44 inch high workbench with 20 drawers in it. I got this from Ritchie Brothers Auction. It's imported by Can Industrial. I don't know if something equivalent is available in the US or not. Red drawers, black trim. I thought I was getting one with a stainless top, but it's a nice painted kind of textured steel top. A little damp because I just wiped a bit of road grime and whatnot off of it. Haven't got much in it yet. We've got nice big drawers. Lockable. There's 3 sets of locks here. These keys do these 2 drawers. Likewise, these keys do these 2 drawers, and then the end. I don't think I'm going to need to use the locks, but still nice to have. All of the drawers are, they're a nice deep drawer, and they've got this foam kind of padding in the bottom of them. We've got nice roller ball bearing slides on it. Grease might be a little bit cold. It's not warm in the shop here. You might be able to see my breath. The drawers slide really nice. And my goal with this is to give all of my tools a home. In my old garage, any flat surface tended to end up with stuff piled up on it. And I wouldn't be surprised if that's going to end up happening here again. It's just human nature. But I want to set this up so that all of the tools have a drawer. Like we'll set up a drawer with the taps and dies, helicoils, all the threading tools. We'll have another drawer for welding equipment. I got a whole bunch of oddball screwdrivers that need a place to live. They'll end up in one of these drawers. That sort of thing, so that everything's got a home. That way you don't end up with stuff stacked up on top of the workbench. I'm not sure if this is exactly where it's going to land. Obviously it needs to go back against the wall. Still, I'm working on the insulation and vapor barrier inside the garage here, and once I have that sorted out, I will figure out exactly where I'm going to put it and where I'm going to lay out all of my toolboxes and equipment. I got the handles thrown on the ends here. I didn't even know it came with handles. Just found them when I was digging through the drawers. Turned out fairly decent. I have to forgive the diesel heater running here. It's a little chilly in the garage today. Why did I choose this from Can Industrial and Ritchie Brothers Auctions? Well, the big thing is it provides a whole bunch of storage, and the price wasn't too bad. All in, keep in mind these are Canadian dollars, all in I was about $1,400. And if you compare this workbench to what you get from one of the big box stores for about $1,500, this is way better. It's the ones for $1,500 are only this long. We got 2 more sections of drawers. It's almost like we're getting a roller chest this size, plus the big one, all for the same price. Gives a nice solid workbench. The drawers are good and solid, nice closures. Really, I'm very happy with it for the price, and I think it's probably going to be far more stable than one of the, basically a base section for a toolbox would be. Thanks a lot for stopping by. I know this is a short one. Appreciate you taking the time to watch. Maybe give me a thumb up. Nice short video for the holidays. If you haven't already done so, consider hitting subscribe, maybe ring the bell icon, all that wonderful stuff. And we'll catch you guys in the new year. We've got to get the 53 Ford in here so we can start working on it. Thanks for stopping by. Bye for now.